Hello everyone, welcome to WH, a program for the youth and if you're wondering about your health. So you will ask me, why WH? Well, we answer the questions what, when, why, and who about these topics. I'm Sol Castillo and I will be sharing with you today. Today we're going to be talking about diabetes. You're wondering what is diabetes? Diabetes is a disease in which the body's ability to produce or respond to the hormone insulin is impaired, resulting in abnormal metabolism of carbohydrates and elevated levels of glucose in the blood and urine. But what is diabetes exactly? Diabetes is a chronic, long-lasting health condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. Most of the food you eat is broken down into sugar, also called glucose, and released into your bloodstream. When your blood sugar goes up, it signs your pancreas to release insulin. So, as we can understand, if you have diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't use the insulin to make it as well as it should. When there isn't enough insulin in our cells to stop responding to insulin, so over time that can cause serious health problems such as heart disease, vision loss, and kidney disease. So you will be wondering why this should matter, why this is important. Well, 3 million people in the USA have diabetes, and 15 of them don't know they have it. There is proof that the youth can prevent loss of growth before it starts to happen, and 80% of these can be prevented. There isn't a cure yet for diabetes, but losing weight, eating healthy food, and being active can really help. Taking medicine as needed, getting diabetes self-management education and support, and keeping healthcare appointments can also reduce this impact of diabetes in your life. Well, I would like to share a story with you about this. The day that Maria de Los Angeles Orellana discovered that she had diabetes was a normal day. She had gone to Parkland Blood Flowers Health Center for a routine checkup. She left the office with a diagnosis of diabetes. When I found out that she had diabetes, I cried. She was depressed, she recounted. I was afraid. Having seen her friends and family die from diabetes, she was concerned about what her diagnosis would mean for her. At first, she didn't tell her family about it. After praying, she felt at peace with herself and she knew that she needed to make some changes. We are here to help you understand that there is time to change and we will always have the opportunity to prevent this disease. So the first thing that you can change is that you have to exercise at least 30 minutes every day. Go and have some fun with your friends in the park. Enjoy the nature. Have a date in the parks. The second thing that you can do is to have a healthy diet, and it is important for all of us to prevent diabetes for our diet that we eat every day. There is something called prediabetes, and it is important to know that in the United States, 96 million adults, more than 1 of 3, have the pre-diabetes. What's more than 8 in 10 of them, they don't know that they have it. With prediabetes, blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough yet to be diagnosed as type 2 diabetes. Pre-diabetes raises your risk for type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. If you feel and if you can check your blood sugar, please go and check it at least once a year. Well, this is all for today, and if you want to know more about this, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and you can find us on Facebook if you want to know more about this. We're based on CDC. Thanks for joining us today, and see you later.